today I'm doing another magic trick. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this long piece of rope right here. I'm going to put these together. I'm going to hold this for him. I'm going to get this right here. I'm going to put it right over here. Okay. So I got this over here. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this so I'll have 2 pieces of rope. So scissors please. Thank you, scissors. So this is what the scissors did. The scissors cut this, and now I have 2 pieces of rope. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to let these 2 down, right? So I got this. And so I got 2 pieces of rope right here. 2. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tie both of them together, but then I can have 1 piece, but they're tied together. So right here. 1. Now it's 1 piece because I tie both of them together. So what I'm going to do is I'll make this a solid one. So I just give it a little shut, blow, and then voila! 1 solid piece of rope. Well, thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys like the magic trick.